So today we're working on a 2024 Hyundai Genesis, and there's a intake scoop kit that you can get that has LED lights in it. The customer brought it to us. We're going to install it. We've already taken the bumper off, and we've already installed the front mount scoops. There's two versions. One has a fin guard to it. Fortunately, we didn't have to rebuild that. We could just put this directly on. And these white parts here are what will light up once we get everything back together. Alright, so for the electrical for this, obviously you need a power and a ground, and it gives you a switch that it comes with it, but the cord is not long enough whatsoever. So you have the option, since it's a remote option, to wire it directly to your battery with power and ground, and then use your remote to turn it on or off. What we're going to do is we're going to actually get our power from our fuse box, so that way when the car is off, it won't draw power to these LEDs. And that's a way that you should wire it up as well. But if you want to just wire it directly, you can wire it directly. My brother said do that on TikTok Live. So if you're looking to wire up your 2018 to 2024 lights on your Genesis, there's always a good ground point, especially if you have an intake. You can use this connector down in here and put a 10mm bolt for your ground. There's also several points on your frame that you can do. It took us a little bit to check on the power source to get a tap off of it, so that when the ignition came on, the lights would come on and go off. We're just using one of the sensor wire connections there, and when you hit your ignition once, the lights will come on, as you can demonstrate. You hit the ignition on, Brandon, hit the button, and the lights will come on with the ignition.
Ignition off.
Put the ignition off. Ignition's off. There's like a 5-second delay, and then it shuts down. So now let's get all this wiring buttoned up, bumper back on, and this customer can be on their way. So these are mounts that are supposed to go here and mount. The kit it came with didn't put a really good quality tape on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a better quality tape so we know that it doesn't come off. The tape we're using is double-sided body tape for trim, made by 3M.